Elevate your space with Prescott's sleek industrial style. This adjustable floor lamp features a slender body and a weighted base for a high-quality look and feel. The curved gooseneck features a unique 330-degree rotatable head, which is exceptional for task lighting. Adjustable in height with a minimum of 45 inches to a maximum 58 inches, this lamp will easily adapt to suit your needs when placed next to a chair or couch. The solidly built pull chain switch evokes a satisfying rustic feel when turned on or off. Available in 3 different finishes, this fixture is capable of seamlessly flowing in different environments and decor. The rustic style and elegance will illuminate your living room, office, bedroom, foyer, study room, or family room. Prescott, a lamp that will illuminate your home, all with the pull of a chain.